do. Oh, hi guys. Here's Bok Choy here, and yeah, just chilling. Yeah, nothing to do right now. Just walking. Brains. Come on. Come on, why are there always zombies? It's not fair. Can I just relax, please? Brains. Not you again. Brains. Brains. Ah, I need help. Help. Yeah. Help, please. I can't defeat all of them. Who did that? Oh, it's me, Coconut Cannon. I fire coconuts just like a bomb. Like, you know how I roll, man. I look so awesome. Yeah. Oh, cool. Hi, Coconut Cannon. It's Bok Choy. My name is Bok Choy. And yeah. I don't like the zombies here. And yeah. Yeah, I know. There's zombies here. Yeah. Should we be friends? Yeah. Okay. Guess so. Bye.